up, everybody? This is Al Phillips with A3 Digital Studio. I just want to give you a little training on Google Keep. Google Keep is a wonderful app from Google. If you have a Gmail account, you want to download this on your phone, and just go, look in your Google Play Store, download Google Keep to your phone, because it does something that many people don't know. And I'm going to give you a quick example. I use Google Keep for a lot of reasons, and to write lists, to write out things that may be in my mind, for journaling, personal journaling, and to just write out an idea or thought to work it out. But one of the things that it does that many people don't know is lists. And I'm going to write a list right quick. Let's say things to get at Lowe's. And for some of you who may be listening to this, if you don't know who Lowe's is, like Home Depot stores, but it's local for us here in Dayton, Ohio. And the good thing about this is that you can click on these little dots here and create a checklist of items. One of the things that I want to get at Lowe's, just to create a list, is a manual mower. The reason why I want a manual mower is for exercise. Then I can cut the grass and get a little exercise at the same time. So here's your list. What this does that I think is really good is that it has a reminder. Remind me. When you click on remind me, it does what a normal reminder. It gives you the date, time, to remind you every week. It'll do all of that. But also pick a place. This is so powerful. All right. And then you put in Lowe's Home Improvement. See there? Lowe's Home Improvement, Salem Avenue and Trotwood. This is exactly where I go. So you click on that, save. This will pop up when I go to Lowe's on my phone. And this list will remind me what to get when I get there. So this is a great app. So hope you have a great day. God bless you, and thank you so much for watching A3digitalstudio.com.